Yes everyone, what is happening? Welcome back to a new video. Today what we're doing, we seem to have like a boost leak or some sort. I don't believe the bracket was on correctly for the intercooler pipe work, as it was like a little shim kind of clip. So what we're doing today, we're just going to take the bumper off, have a look, see what problem has occurred, and I've got a new cheeky little gear stick to fit, so hopefully we can get the intercooler sorted. Dan Recovery's coming. I don't actually know his last name. I just call him Dan Recovery because that's his Instagram name. He's just bought the brand new Mark 4 RS Megane, so we might actually get a little look at that. So yeah, he's going to come up with the clips. Hopefully we can get this pipe connected up. I do believe the bottom section of the exhaust might be blowing a little bit, so that might need to come off and redone up, but I think that's a job for on a jack, because I can't be asked to be doing it on the floor. So hopefully that's that, and yeah, we can get to it. Like I said, I'm trying to bring you along the way on what happens, how we do it and whatever. So I know it's not going to be like a big massive video and like, oh my god, this is getting done, but all the niggly bits, I hope you enjoy the fact that I'll bring you along and show you like the real working with and the real, like, because it's not perfect. It's not like, yes, this is done, bang, sweet. This is real life, and we have problems, we have issues. So this is what happens. But can we appreciate how sexy these seats are? Whew. I know there is a lot of people that don't like the Megane, but man, you cannot take away the handling in the seats in this car. It is. So yeah, I'm just going to take the bumper off. I didn't actually do the bumper up properly because I knew that I'd be taking it apart again. So there's just a couple of bolts to undo, and then we can get to it. So let's do it. Right then, so first things first, let's remove this cheeky little cover. There we go. Pop that up there. Basically there's a couple of bolts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pull the sides, and pretty much the bumper will come off. So let me undo those. See, I didn't do them in hand tight, only did them hand tight because I knew I was taking them off again. So let me get them off, and then we'll pop the clips on the side. Wow, they're pretty tight clips. Wow. Now the bumper should fall off. One bolt in still. Bolt so. Right, and so literally all I've done is disconnected there's like a plug, I'm not too sure what it's for, probably the DRLs. And obviously you've got the cheeky air filter there, so I have to be careful for water. And then I've just undone the washer fluid bottle with the clip. And here is the culprit. Hopefully you can see it. It looks a bit moist, but that is the problem. I think when I'm coming on to boost, this is moving about, and I think that's what the issue is. So hopefully we can rectify that. And then here's the other side, which looks, where we at? Bloody hell. There we go, we can see it. So hopefully we can crack that off and then put some fresh ones in, because it doesn't look the best of holding, if that makes sense. Right then guys, so here is the new extended knob for the Megane. Basically it just replaces this one. It's slightly bigger, so it should give it that better feel of throw. And look at it, it's yellow and it matches the car. So what we're going to do, try and take this bad boy off and fit this new one. I just wanted to show you this as well. How cute's that? So yeah, what you got to do basically, well, from what I've saw on the internet, you literally one hand like that, one like that on the shaft, and then you pull the head off it. So I've actually had to go this myself, and I can't get it to budge just yet. So I'm hoping I can release it.
apparently it just pulls off, but it doesn't want to pull off at all. Right then, so I'm going to get over the middle of the car, and I'm going to try and remove this bad boy. I just can't get it out. Right then, so hopefully you can see what I'm going to do. Getting in the back. Getting in the back. I'm going to lift this cover up. I'm going to grab the bottom of the stem, grab the top, pull, and we're off. Way! You don't know how happy I am. This is, I finally got it off. Woo! Buzzing. So what we can do now, push this back down, and then hopefully get this sexy little gear knob in place. There we go, that's on. We've come across a Lamborghini Perfect Monday. He's gotta go. Come on. That's disappointing, that is. You've got a Lamborghini, you've got all that space, and you don't even do anything.
Need a change again.
Guess what car we're in, so you can guess. Oh, you're going to show it, mate, yeah. Always traffic, always. I like the pops, man. Mine's fully decated. The system and mine just about pops like that. Right then, so we've come to a conclusion. I've basically broke that. So what I've got to do, I've got to ring Renault Wolverhampton, order a new inlet pipe, which is basically just this bugger here. That one there basically goes round, well, goes round and then down there, so that's all I need. So I'm going to order one of them Monday. I'm just not going to drive it hard or anything because it's losing boost. So yeah, and I'm just getting onto the shifter, so let's do it. Right then, so new shifter alert. Basically going to just line these bits up because there's two like Allen bolts. I'm guessing they're going to like tighten up onto that bit there. So what I'm going to do, just push it down and then lock it into place with the screws, and hopefully that doesn't do that. Right then, and it is as simple as that. There's just two little screws, that side and that side, and that is it. That is your extender knob. Obviously the standard one probably come to like there, where this has got like a longer throw on it. So if you didn't want to go all out and get the big bore shifter, you have got this one which you could get, so you could fit that and you could do the short shifting mod, and you could basically have this little bad boy. But look at that, it's yellow, the car is yellow, so it's a win-win. And if my knob gets cold, I'll put my hat on her. Right then, I'll probably look like a dick if anyone's watching me like sitting on my drive talking to a camera. There's not really much going on with this video. It was just like, as I said, intercooler pipe work, shifter. We've done the shifter, we've got the shifter off. Like, you don't know how much problems I had. If anyone follows me on Instagram, you saw the problems I've had trying to get that shifter off, but it's off. That is the way you should do it. I've got loads of things coming up, so videos are going to be everywhere, so it's going to be fun. There's quite a few mods. I've got a couple of things in the garage to fit to the Megane and do to the Megane. So yeah, but first what we can do, order a new inlet pipe, get that on. There is a Megane thing tomorrow on the Sunday the 17th at Cafe in the Machine, so we're going to go there, going to look at all the cars, see all the different mods and that. So obviously, because I'm now a Megane person, Megane is my speciality at this moment in time, so hopefully meet some new people, see some new things. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Hope you like it, share it, subscribe, all that madness. Like, subscribe. I'm just trying to be real. I'm none of this fake bullshit that's like, oh, we're gonna get a Ferrari and then give it to a garage and spend 100 grand. We're just a normal person, normal lad with normal tools, just trying to do his thing, and I hope you can all appreciate that. So yeah, please subscribe. Yeah, and if you can like this video, I'm gonna say let's aim for 1,000 likes. Like, I know it's nothing mad, this video hasn't been anything special, but just prove to me, guys, that you were on it. Just 1,000 likes. Let's see if we can do it. First video ever with 1,000 likes, so there's a lot more coming this way, so just bear with us. So yeah, see you later, see you on the next one. Peace. Before I forget, if you'd like to see a video on the Megane, that new Megane that I was in just, comment down below and let me know. We're going to meet up and we're going to do a couple of videos like new Megane versus the old Megane, what the new Megane's actually like. So if you'd be interested in that, please let me know. And obviously I want to do videos that you guys want to see, so sweet. See you on the next one.